everyone, welcome to Nancy's Mediterranean Kitchen. Christmas is around the corner, so I thought that it would be great if you'd like to try the butter cookies, the Greek style Kourabiedes. So let's start. My ingredients are 1 pound of butter, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1 egg yolk, 1 tablespoon of brandy and 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 1 cup of crushed roasted almonds, 4 cups of flour. As you see, it's sifted. It's very important to do this step, with 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And here are 2 cups of sifted powdered sugar for decorating the cookies when they come out. I'm going to start with the paddle attachment in my mixer. And I will start with the butter. This is room temperature butter. And then I will add the sugar and mix for at least 10 minutes, or when you see creamy, I will show you how it looks like. So I will start with low speed because the sugar will go everywhere. And I also put this protection lid so that the sugar won't fly. And then I will increase it to medium speed when the butter starts to absorb the sugar. Now it's on medium speed. We'll leave it to mix for at least 10 minutes because it needs to be very creamy and light in color. That's the texture I need. You see how fluffy it is and sticky. So I mixed it for like 12 minutes. Now I'm going to add the egg yolk, the vanilla and the brandy, and blend for another 3 minutes. Now the almonds, and mix for 1 minute. I'm going to start adding the flour gradually. Like I will use the measurement cup. I will add 1 cup at a time and blend on slow. Keep adding the flour. So now it's time to scrape the sides. Then you can continue adding the flour. I will add 1 more cup now. Here is the texture I want. Very soft, but not sticky, as you see. If your dough is not like that, maybe you use a different kind of flour. You can add a little bit more flour if you feel that it's sticky. We want it like that, not sticky. Now I'm going to call my son Nicholas to help me in shaping. That's the whole point of making Christmas cookies, is to do it with family members. So Nicholas, please come.
Hi, my name is Nicholas, and I'm going to make a Christmas cookie.
Hi, Nicholas.
Hi.
So remember, we will make crescent shape. The traditional shape is crescent or circular. So we will do both today. I'm going to use this ice cream scooper. I sprinkled a little bit of flour on my plate so I can leave the bowls here for Nicholas to form a crescent. So I'm going to demonstrate how to make a crescent shape. Here is a scooper I used. Then I will make it like a bowl first. Then I will straighten it up. And then when it's like this, I will add it to my tray and then curve it like a crescent. Can we do one more?
Okay. Yeah.
One more. Now your turn. So Kourabiedes, or the butter cookies, the Greek butter cookies, are traditional in Greece and Cyprus. Also in the Middle East, we do the same thing. In Egypt, we have them with sugar added on top, which is very similar. The most similar one to the Greek one is the Egyptian one. While in Syria, Lebanon, and Jordan, they do it differently. They don't add sugar on top and they add fillings inside. Different kinds of filling, mostly dates. That's what they use in the Middle East. So actually, the Greek one is the easiest because it doesn't need filling inside. Now we can just make it into a nice bowl shape because we have 2 trays made with crescent shape. Now we'll form it into a nice bowl, a little bit flat. So let me show you. So we'll make a bowl now. That's the second shape that we can use, and make it flat. Okay. Now we have 3 trays ready to go in the oven on 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes or until it's golden brown. Now it's ready. This is the color I want, golden, like golden color, as you see. And from the back is also a bit darker. It took 22 minutes in my oven. And now Nicholas is here to put it in the sugar on both sides. And then I will show you how it looks like.
Yeah.
So you can start, Nicholas.
Okay, let's go.
When you go to a Greek festival, this is what you find. Although all the Greeks prefer to eat it in the Christmas time, but they can also make it in different occasions. So when you go to a Greek festival, you will definitely find Kourabiedes. So the reason why I'm not adding sugar to all of them is because it becomes moist if you do that from the beginning. Let's say you want to eat it on like 3 days. So it's better to add the sugar fresh on small amount, and then on the next day you can add sugar on the rest of the quantity. So I kept some in a container so it stays fresh for the next day. Nicholas, would you like to try one and let us know how it tastes like?
Yeah. It's very, very nice.
Wow. I want to show you how it looks like from inside. It's very soft, as you see. And the almonds give it a nice crunchy taste. I hope you liked our episode today. I hope you give it a try and let me know in the comments below how it goes. And see you next time.
Bye-bye.